Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you unboxing of this Hilook and DVR. This is a new DVR, support 3K cameras and also the 5 megapixel. Let me show you the model number here. You can see the model number here of the DVR. Okay, this is the DVR and it's a 4 channel. As I said, this DVR support these color view cameras 3K. Let me show you, this is the one. So we are going to test these cameras with this DVR just to make sure they're compatible. Sometimes people do ask, just to check the compatibility. That's why we're going to do that. And we're installing one TB hard drive and the 4 camera system. Okay, the model number, let me tell you, is DVR-204. Yes, that's the Q. Yes, that's the one. M1. That means this will support new 3K cameras. Okay, let's start the unboxing. Okay. Okay, let's see what the DVR look like. Okay, that's what comes inside. This is the DVR. Okay, look at the size of the DVR I'm holding now. That's the size of the DVR. Okay. Okay, you can see how big is DVR. Yes, I can easily hold. Quite compact. Compact DVR, good. So if you're having a space issue, so this is perfect size and the budget range as well. Let's see what is behind the DVR. This DVR has 4 BNC ports. Okay, you can connect 4 cameras and one has HDMI. So, and the VGA. If you have an old monitor which has a VGA output, so you can connect this as well. It's a VGA output as well. If the monitor has a VGA input and the 2 audio, yes, 1 audio in, 1 audio out, and 1 LAN port. So because you want to view remotely, so you need to connect to the like a router network, LAN port, and 2 USB port, one for mouse or one for other if you want to take a backup or something like that. That's a power one. Okay, that's the size of the DVR, you can see. Okay, now what other accessories comes with this DVR? Let's see. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see. That's a USB mouse and the power lead for the DVR, power adapter. Then the cable for the hard drive. Sometimes people SATA cable, data cable, this is SATA cable. This is power cable for the hard drive. Yes, the SATA cable. Okay, that's all, and the screw for the hard drive. Okay guys, that's the one. That's the unboxing of this DVR. Soon we're going to install the hard drive and join you soon. Thanks. Okay, see you soon. Thanks. Okay guys, now we're installing the 1 terabyte hard drive. So let's see how you can install the hard drive. First, you need to unscrew now. Open the DVR first so you can install the hard drive inside. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. We just want to show you exactly how we install the hard drive, so you can see exactly what we are doing. Okay, once you take the lid off, then what happens? Okay, this is the motherboard of the DVR. So my colleague is going to install the hard drive now. This is the cable. Okay, you can see the cable. So one cable, and power cable you can call it, and this SATA cable. So make sure you always use the original cable, whatever the cable comes with the DVR. Do not use the old cable. Sometimes people use the old cable, then the problem comes because hard drive won't be initialized. Okay, this is 4 screw. Okay, so now we're going to install the hard drive. So how it happens, let's one by one. This is our surveillance hard drive, surveillance, CCTV hard drive, Seagate Skyhawk, 1 terabyte. And we have a size from 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10 as well. But the customer requested bigger budget system, ask for a 1 terabyte only. So we're installing 1 terabyte. Okay, now you can see. So what happens? Okay, this is the way you. Okay, first you can see. Okay, like this. Now. Okay. Make sure the teeth are right. Okay. Okay, this is done. Okay, these two cables are connected to the hard drive. Now we need to connect these two cables to the motherboard now. Okay. Power supply, power adapter, mouse. Okay. Now one by one, this is the for SATA connector. Okay, here you can see, and again this is the power one, this gives power the hard drive. Okay, so these two connection, yes, very simple. Okay, once it's done, then we have 4 screws as well, so we can going to use these 4 screws. Is matching, all the 4 holes are matching here, you can see. Okay, once then you can start. Slowly. Okay, when 2 screws are done, now you can do the rest 4. Okay, you can type them now. Okay, so this way you can install the hard drive, simple. Now you can put the lid back, and then we'll join you soon, show you the wizard video, and we're going to connect one camera as well, so you can see how the camera look like and how to connect the camera as well to the DVR. Okay guys, see you soon. Hi guys, we have plugged our Hilook DVR now, and we go by step by step wizard video. Let's see. So when you power your DVR, this will happen. This screen appears, then you select the language English, then apply, and then you need to type your password. So you can click here, you can see what you're typing. Maybe. Okay, once it's done, then same. Make sure always click here so you know what you're typing. Okay. And the password hint, you can just put name, whatever you like, NAME, and then the pattern. Unlock the pattern. So you have a choice. Either you can type the password, and you can use the pattern as well. So let me make a simple pattern L. Okay, this is done. Now you do activate. Now select the time zone. So we'll select UK, London, this one. And the date format, you're happy with day, month, year, that's okay. And the date as well, and the system time. That's here is now 16. Okay, and then do next. Because you want to see your device remotely on your mobile app as well, that's why you have to make sure this should be on. Yes, DSCP should be on. Okay, then we go next. And then because we have installed the hard drive 1 terabyte, we need to initialize the hard drive as well. That's very important. Otherwise, the beeping noise will be there. Yes, so you need to initialize the hard drive. Once you initialize the hard drive 100%, the beeping noise will disappear. Okay, initialize. So format the hard drive basically. So make sure you stay here for until it is 100% done. This is a new Hilook DVR, and this one supports up to 5 megapixel and also 3K cameras as well. So we want to see whether the new 3K camera works with this DVR or not. So okay, this is 100% done. We move next. Okay, perfect. Then we go next. And if you have IP devices on your network, so this DVR can find the IP devices on the network. That's why we have some IP devices here. That's why they're showing. Okay, you can add them as well, but we are not adding here right now. So we go next. Because you want to make sure we can see on a mobile app, that's why Hilook Vision, you have to make it on. Yes, then go term and condition, accept, and then OK. So this is on. We have connected the network cable. That's why you can see the status online. If the network cable is not connected, you won't see, you see offline. and bind status no, because this is not connected to anybody's account. That's why shown no. Okay, so once we scan this QR code, you can add, but make sure whenever you scan the QR code, before that let's see the verification. So this is the one, random one, but we suggest always edit the verification code and type something which you can remember. So here we will going to type the same as a password. So easy to remember. Then you do this and confirm. So this way you remember what verification code is there. That's the scan QR code. Once you download the Hilook or Hikvision app, HiConnect app, make sure before you scan this QR code, switch off your Wi-Fi. Normally what happens, people don't switch off their Wi-Fi. The remote access work within the Wi-Fi zone. When they're outside the Wi-Fi zone, it stops working. That's why. So make sure switch off your Wi-Fi, then scan the QR code. Okay, this is done now. Okay, we go next. The new verification code is only valid for the video afterward. That's okay. You can close it. And some security questions. In case you forgot your password, you need to retrieve your password. That's why you need to put your type your security questions here. So I'll make it simple. Just AAA. Okay, you can do as per your choice. Okay, then we finish. Okay, this is a 4-channel DVR Hilook. So we have a Hilook camera, 3K camera, the one I showed you earlier. So we are going to power it up now. We are going to connect this now. We already connected the BNC. Now we are going to give a power. Okay, and where's the power is coming from? Here. Okay, once we power, and let's see, this is 3K camera. We want to make sure this DVR support 3K cameras as well. Okay guys, so perfectly fine, as you can see. So this DVR support 3K cameras. Okay, enable the, because this camera has a microphone as well, so you can, yes, can enable now. Nice camera, nice, wow. Okay guys, so that's all. So I'll repeat just to show you something else as well. If you go to the menu, let's say you log out from the menu. So you have two choices. Now you want to go to here. What pattern we have made? L pattern. You can do L pattern. You can easily log in. Otherwise, you can do other way around. Let's say you forgot the pattern. You log out from the system and you remember the password. Simply switch user and you can type the password. Okay, that's all done. So these are basic live view, playback, search, configuration. Here you can see network setting in case you want to see your DVR is online or not. This DVR is online. So system. So guys, these are basic setting. Okay, so that's for everything today, and hope see you soon with another new video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.